Hey, happy Monday, everyone. My name is Barrett Smith. I'm the Senior Service Hydrologist for the National Weather Service here in Raleigh, and happy to be on providing the routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. We'll cover weather from today through the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. So let's jump into it. And first, just take a quick look at current satellite imagery. As you can see, as the sun comes up on this visible satellite, most of central North Carolina is free of clouds, a little bit of high clouds out there, but a very nice day. Temperatures are in the 70s. We'll climb into the low to mid 80s today. Humidity hasn't quite returned yet, and so it should be a really nice day out there. If you look out to the west, you do see more clouds, and the blinking greens, yellows, and oranges here represent lightning, and so there are some showers and storms back out over Tennessee, but the general direction of those will be to the east southeast, and they should dive across southwestern North Carolina and into southwestern North Carolina and into South Carolina. And so really the southern Piedmont may be the best chance to see a stray shower today, but for the most part, everyone is going to be dry. So with that, let's get into it. Here's the upcoming weather pattern. And again, you can see a front draped across Tennessee and into South Carolina. That's where those showers and storms will likely move. And so it's just our southern areas looking at an isolated shower later today possible. Better chances of showers and storms later tomorrow and into Wednesday as a system out over the Central Plains moves east. I think the best chance of those will be late Tuesday night, and into Wednesday, focus mainly across the east on Wednesday. So that's our best chance of showers and storms really this week, because once that front moves through, outside of a few stray showers possible on Thursday, we will see a drying trend and a cooler trend, noticeably cooler trend as we head into the Memorial Day weekend. So again, mainly focused on Tuesday and Wednesday for our best chances of any precipitation this week. Here's a representation of that rainfall, or those chances here in our rainfall forecast. And again, I mentioned that the better chances are to our west and south today, increased chances Tuesday and into Wednesday. Not a big event, not looking at a lot of rainfall from this, but that will be our best time frame. And as you can see, Thursday and Friday here, and that'll continue into the weekend with quieter weather on our doorstep. Severe weather chances, again, focused around Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when we have a marginal risk of some showers and thunderstorms of some severe weather, and that'll mostly come in the risk of some severe winds, isolated severe winds, focused late Tuesday and across the east on Wednesday. Clear, it looks like, headed into the Memorial Day weekend. We do also have a marginal risk of flash flooding on Tuesday. I think this is probably going to be very isolated. We're not looking at widespread showers and storms, and so that risk will probably really be focused on the urban areas. We did have a lot of rainfall last week, and so conditions are rather wet, but I think this will be very isolated and really focused across the western Piedmont and northern Piedmont areas late Tuesday and into Tuesday night. I mentioned the return of humidity. We will see temperatures rising into the mid and some upper 80s over the next couple of days, with the humidity starting to return. Not going to be a particularly hot event, but do want to just point out that we do have a minor to, in some locations across the South, moderate risk for heat over the next couple of days, the warmest and most humid day being on Wednesday. So just want to make sure that we do mention that, as some folks are extremely sensitive to the heat, and we want to make sure we note that for folks. Once we get beyond the end of this week and headed into next week, we are favoring below normal temperatures. So we'll likely see temperatures this weekend and into early next week in the 70s instead of the 80s for high temperatures. So a cooler period headed our way, probably really a nice period. And then also favoring slightly above normal rainfall. We'll probably see after this weekend's drier weather a return of some chances of showers and storms headed into next week. looking at our graphical hazardous weather outlook, again, all of our weather is really focused on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. We mentioned that potential, that marginal risk for some severe storms and also some isolated flash flooding. That's our main risk over the next 6 to 7 days. So we'll wrap it up and just, to reiterate all of those points, warm and mostly dry today, increased showers, chances of showers and storms late Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then we'll be turning cooler and drier as we head into the Memorial Day weekend, with rain chances starting to come back later next week. So with that, a pretty quick briefing. Not a lot to talk about other than the next couple of days here. I'm happy to take any questions from anyone if they have them, and otherwise I hope everyone has a great week and a great Memorial Day weekend.